Hello everyone. Sorry the video's sideways a little bit, but I wanted to show you about some safety and some of the stuff I picked up for the Black Taco. First off, this is what I use here. I have D-ring hooks on the back of the bumper, which I run through here for safety. That way nothing breaks, and we use straps, like this, both ends, so you can hook in. That way nothing comes loose and hurts anybody. Like to have safety. Alright, let's see, we'll go with this first. This is what I picked up when I let the air out of the tires for snow wheeling. ARB recovery. See right here? This is what you gotta have. You put this in your valve stem. You screw this on there, see, and then this goes in, takes out the valve stem, and then you pull the valve stem out, and then like that, you can check your pressure, and then you can keep pushing it in, shut it off, let more pressure out, keep checking it. That way it keeps the valve stem inside. See the little hook there? Then you just push it back in, turn the stem back in, take it back off the tire with the other one here, and you're good. So that's how you let the air out. And then we have super flow pump, hooks right up to your battery. I'm trying to do this fast for you, so don't take up much time. We're already a minute and a half, but got some good stuff to show you. See, here's the pump. There's where you hook it up to your battery. There's the pump right there. Pretty good sized pump. Pump up a tire in 4 minutes. So works good for this. So okay, put that aside. I just picked this up to go with the winch. That's my tree saver here. Okay. Bulldog winch. Comes with a nice pouch and everything, zippered bag. Look at all that nice stuff in there. Comes with gloves. So when you're winching, there's a nice pulley. You put your winch line through, hook it up, and you put your D hook through and your strap around the tree, hook it up. Works great. It also has a little grease fitting in there. Keep the pulley all lubricated so it spins nice. Also came with the 2 D hooks. Nice. On a bad kit for 78 bucks. And it also comes with the 10,000 pound strap to go around the tree to hook it to. Okay. And same here. This is actually the hook to the tree there, and this one's a tow strap, which I use to tow off the back of the bumper when I'm pulling. So, but that's what we got. That's nice. Comes with a nice inside. It's got compartments in there and everything. Can't really see, but to put stuff. So that was pretty cool. Good job on that. Like that. Okay. Alright. That's what I wanted to show. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to go over here. See? That's because I used the winch. I don't know if you can see it, as I got it on there now. See? There's that nice winch I put on there. There's the hook. There's the hook right there. And that's what I was talking about with the D-rings. See right here. Hook them right in here. Oh, can we get a good look here? Good shot? Yeah, there we go. See? You hook them right here and you hook the strap right in. So that's what that's for. I think you can can see that. Yeah, just run them through there. I got it on both sides. So. Okay. Got the studs. Can we see? Hard to see there. Studs in the tires. Gas tank in the back. All right. Hope you enjoyed the little view of everything. It's 55 degrees out. First time in a t-shirt. Can't believe it with all the snow. See, everything's melting. Grounds are all melting. You can see it all. Honda's all buried in there. Truck's all dripping. Look at all the water underneath there. Yep. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully see you Sunday. I don't know what's going on. It's supposed to get more snow and get cold. So everyone have a wonderful Thursday.